In this video, you'll learn how to make and receive phone calls on your Google Pixel 9. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your calls efficiently and effectively. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel 9 and locating the phone app on your home screen. This app is essential for making and receiving calls. Before proceeding, ensure that your SIM card is properly inserted and that you have an active network signal. It is important to confirm that everything is functioning correctly, as this prepares your device for calling. Next, to make a call, tap on the dial pad icon or the contacts tab within the phone app. You can either manually enter a phone number or select a saved contact from your list. After entering the number or selecting a contact, press the call button to initiate the call. Hold the phone near your ear for a standard call, or activate speaker mode if you prefer. It is crucial to maintain a stable network connection for clear audio throughout the call. When you receive an incoming call, a notification will appear on your screen indicating that someone is trying to reach you. You can either swipe or tap the answer button to accept the call. If you wish to decline the call, you can do so by tapping the appropriate button. Additionally, you have the option to mute the call if necessary. During the conversation, utilize features such as speaker mode or mute as required for your comfort. To end the call, simply tap the end call button displayed on your screen. This action will disconnect the call and return you to the previous screen. By following these steps, you can handle calls on your Google Pixel 9 with ease. Always ensure that your device is ready and that you have a good network connection for optimal performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.